Worried about keeping your crypto secure? Wondering if your cold wallet is truly up to date against the latest threats and vulnerabilities? Well, you should be. In the fast-evolving world of cryptocurrency, staying on top of security is paramount, and that includes regularly updating your hardware wallet's firmware. Today, we're tackling a crucial task for all ELLIPAL Cold wallet users: how to update your device. The ELLIPAL Cold wallet is a fantastic piece of hardware, offering robust air-gapped security. But even the best security needs regular enhancements. Firmware updates aren't just about adding new coin support or fancy features. They're primarily about patching vulnerabilities, improving performance, and ensuring your digital assets remain as safe as possible. Think of it like updating the operating system on your computer or phone. It's essential for optimal security and functionality. Skipping updates can leave your wallet exposed to potential exploits, and nobody wants that. So, how do you go about updating your ELLIPAL Cold wallet? It's a straightforward process, but it requires a few key steps and some careful attention to detail. First things first, you'll need a few items: your ELLIPAL Cold wallet, its charging adapter and original charging cable, a computer, and a micro SD card, preferably 8 GB, 16 GB, or 32 GB, formatted to FAT32. This last point is critical. FAT32 formatting is a must for the update to work correctly. If your SD card isn't formatted this way, you'll need to do it before proceeding. There are plenty of guides online if you're unsure how to FAT32 format an SD card. Once you have your SD card ready, head over to the official ELLIPAL website. This is incredibly important. Only download firmware updates from the official ELLIPAL site. Never trust third-party sources, as this could compromise your wallet's security. On their website, navigate to the Support or Firmware Update section. You'll find the latest firmware file for your specific ELLIPAL model, whether it's a Titan, Titan 2.0, or Titan Mini. Make sure you download the correct file for your device. Download the zipped firmware file to your computer. A crucial note here, especially for Mac users: ensure the file remains zipped. Some systems might automatically unzip files upon download. If this happens, you'll need to rezip it or try downloading with a different browser like Chrome, which tends to preserve the zipped format. Another vital step: do not rename the downloaded file. It must retain its original name for your ELLIPAL wallet to recognize it. If your system adds a suffix like 1 because you've downloaded it multiple times, remove that suffix. Now, transfer this single, correctly named, zipped firmware file onto your FAT32 formatted micro SD card. Make absolutely sure it's the only file on the SD card. Cluttering the card with other files can interfere with the update process. With the firmware file on your SD card, it's time to work with your ELLIPAL wallet. First, turn off your ELLIPAL device completely. Then, insert the prepared SD card into the ELLIPAL adapter. Do not connect the adapter to power yet. Once the SD card is in, plug the original charging cable into the adapter and connect it directly to a power outlet, not your computer. The adapter's light should turn blue, indicating it has correctly read the SD card. If it's green, try reinserting the SD card or using a different one. Next, place your turned-off ELLIPAL Cold wallet onto the charged adapter. The device might automatically turn on, or you may need to press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to manually power it on. Once on, navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon, and then select Update. Your ELLIPAL should now recognize the update file on the SD card, and the blue light on the adapter will start flashing. The wallet will begin to automatically extract the update file. This can take a few minutes, so be patient and do not disconnect the adapter or touch your device during this process. After the extraction, a new interface will appear, prompting you to start update. Select this option. The update process itself typically takes another couple of minutes. Your ELLIPAL may appear to restart or turn on and off during this time. This is completely normal. Do not panic, and do not remove the battery or disconnect power. Just let it do its thing. Once the update is complete, your ELLIPAL will reboot. To verify that the update was successful, go back into Settings and then About. Check the firmware version number. It should now match the latest version you downloaded from the official ELLIPAL website. If it does, congratulations. Your ELLIPAL Cold wallet is now updated, more secure, and ready to protect your crypto assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.